Hi to everyone, I'm Paul Diaz. Today I'm in Food Central because I will be doing the review for the Cinnabon. The cinnamon roll, you know the cinnamon roll? They're very popular long time ago. So I'm gonna take you now for a closer look for my food review for the Cinnabon rolls. Alright, so these are the contestants for this extravaganza. What we have here is a big cinnamon roll, and it looked very inviting. It's like talking to me. It's telling me, eat me and eat me right now. Let's waste no time. Look at how beautiful they cover up this cinnamon roll without that beautiful, nice looking icing. And also beside that, I order 16 ounces of raspberry drink. It came with plastic fork and a plastic knife, some napkins, and it came in this nice looking bag. Alright guys, so my first intention was to buy the cinnamon roll from Burger King. So once I tried to order, they said they don't have them available. They're not in the menu anymore. So apparently it was only for a limited time. So I was almost to change my mind. So it happened that when I was about to leave, I came across with Cinnabon. Oh, here it is. This is my chance to make a review for a cinnamon roll. But that was my first intention, was to do the review for the Ciniminis. Anyway, so for the price of that, for the price of the big cinnamon roll, this cinnamon roll is approximately 870 calories. So if you don't really mind the calories, well, it might be good for you. So for the raspberry drink, for the cinnamon roll, everything came down to $5.97. So I'm gonna take a bite out of this now. Guys, I have to cut it in pieces because the cinnamon roll is so big. I can practically cannot hold it in my hand. I think that's why they gave me a fork and a knife, because they knew that I have to cut it in pieces in order for me to eat it. Oh, great. Another bite. And another bite. Wow. How can I describe this? Wow. Long time, guys. I don't eat cinnamon in long years. So since I've been doing these food reviews, I've been updating myself in the fast food business because I was out of date really. So as I remember, it tastes better than ever. You have a wonderful icing. The kind of icing they're using for the cinnamon roll, I know it's expensive one. Right icing, I can tell. They're using the right kind of cinnamon. It's fluffy, it's not hard. It just, when I ordered this, the guy just opened up like 10 minutes ago. That's when I ordered it. After he opened 10 minutes ago, I ordered this. If I'm gonna tell you whether or not you should buy this, I think it will be better if you buy this one that I just bought. Buy the big one, buy the big cinnamon roll. Because they got the medium-sized cinnamon roll, but it's gonna cost you $3.50. It's gonna be small. But with this one, at least you can get it all by yourself, or you can divide it at least in 3 pieces. If you want to share it, you still can share it with 3 people like this. $5.97, and also the drink. I believe it's a good deal, so I'm gonna give from the score to 1 to 5. I'm gonna give Cinnabon And Michael, the nice attendant, took my order. I'm gonna give you guys from my score 1 to 5, giving you guys a total 5. The only question, do I feel lucky? Do you? Oh. Those words are from Clint Eastwood. Okay, guys, so that will be my review for today. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys in a few days from another full review. Take care of yourself and enjoy the holidays and enjoy shopping. Bye bye. Take care.